Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm looking at more ridiculous spin from Google denying that they are killing the web as we know it. Let's get into it. All right, so really quick, if you haven't been following this story, Google has been inserting AI-generated content into its search results pages, which answer many questions immediately on the page without requiring the user to click a link. And this has really changed the economics of the web, which, for good or for bad, is mostly built on advertising. Publishers need those clicks to show ads to make money, and AI content from Google is clearly impacting this long-standing dynamic. And here comes Liz Reid, Google's VP of Search, with a blog post. Let's take a look. First, she says that overall, total organic click volume from Google search to websites has been relatively stable year over year. So clearly she's trying to imply that nothing has changed. However, AI overviews started rolling out over a year ago, so this year over year claim really isn't meaningful. What about the change in click volume from 2 or 3 years ago? That would actually give us an indication of the impact of AI content on click-through volume. And even more to the point, she doesn't provide any data, just a statement of fact. I guess it's up to us to determine how much change in volume could be characterized as relatively stable. So to me, this is a nonsense statement. Next, she says that average click quality has increased, which Google has said before. At least she defined what click quality means this time as clicks that don't result in an immediate click back. What's the time frame for measuring this click back? How much has the metric moved? She doesn't say, but I think it's fair to say if these numbers were meaningful in any way, they would have given some precise figures, but they didn't, which is telling. Next, she calls research on this topic flawed. I suspect, as many others do, that she must be talking about the Pew Research Center's study showing users shown an AI overview are less likely to click on a link. She really doesn't explain what is flawed, so again, I think this is a worthless statement. Then she gets to the main point, which is that clicks are being sent out to a wider array of sites or a different set of sites, but that the universe of clicks is staying the same. Some sites are seeing increases, some sites are seeing decreases. That's a very convenient thing to say because it's very hard to prove or disprove unless you're Google. So again, I don't think I can accept this explanation. It certainly could be true, but I'm not willing to take their word for it. And lastly, here's a roundup of some social media posts on the topic collected by the Search Engine Roundtable. Here's one saying Google is gaslighting, as I've mentioned. Here's one with a fun image calling it spin. And here's another one calling this narrative tiresome. So yeah, I think we can say that there's a whole lot of people out there not buying the story that Google is selling right now. But that's all I have on this story for now. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.